Hello guys, it's your guy Fiera. Welcome back to the Rocket Series Academy with VMS Project 13. Here is the step part of the Rocket Series. Firstly, we are going to design the external portion of the part, and these threads are going to be inserted when we are generating the M&G codes. Making sure that this curve should be of diameter 0.12 inch, and equally it should be at a distance of 0.125 from the origin horizontally and at a distance of 0.50 from the origin vertically. Speaking about the threads, we got threads of external diameter 0.49 and equally groove of diameter 0.33. Since we are using revolve method, these two diameters should be divided by 2. Let's dive into this project. New, part selected, OK. Inch, sketch, front view, line command, making sure the line is straight, smart dimension 1.265. Just move this dimension upward, line command, downward, straight, the thread diameter 0.49 divided by 2, groove diameter 0.33 divided by 2, this diameter 0.475. The distance from this point to the origin 0.9, this point to the origin 0.965. Circle command, circle of diameter 0.12, the distance to the origin horizontally 0.125, from the center of the circle vertically 0.505. Smart dimension 0.12 from the center to the origin horizontally 0.775. Select the center of the circle, hold Ctrl and select the center of this other circle, make relation horizontal. Line command. Right now we got this triangle, so we have to sketch this triangle. Let's take this point upward, select this line and this line, make relation equal. Smart dimension, the distance from this point to the origin 0.375. From this point to the origin horizontally we got 0.450. Trim entity, just trim the unwanted quantity. Smart dimension, the distance from this point to the origin 0.350. We got some fillets, fillet command 0.035 at this point. Go for the green check. Our sketch is fully defined. Go for the green check feature, revolve base, axis of revolution, this axis. Select quantum, go for the green check. We got a hole of diameter 0.31 extruded at a distance of 0.6 with an angle of 140. Equally, we got a chamfer, hole wizard, using simple hole in selected or 3 type size. Now we have a diameter of 0.31. The diameter closest to 0.31 is half, so make sure half should be selected, custom size activated, and diameter of 0.31 at 140 degree, and condition blind 0.6. Position this face, select the center, go for the green check. Chamfer of 0.045 this edge, go for the green check. Speaking about the thread command, thread location this edge, and condition blind 3/8/16, 3/8 the external diameter of the thread or the measured diameter of the thread, with a tape per inch of 16 and an extrusion of 3.5 inch selected, size 3/8. Remember that 3/8 is 0.375/16. Making sure offset should be on, offset of 0.2. Add what? In order to compensate for the offset, you have to add plus 0.2. Go for the green check. Chamfer, select this face, go for the green check. Chamfer 0.01 this edge and this edge, go for the green check. Material, edit 6061 TS aluminum selected, apply, close, save, VMS, project 13. Appearance, body, let's take this green, go for the green check. With this, we are done with VMS project 13. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 13. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.